Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to reduce or mute dial pad sound on a phone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first I need to go to phone and let's try enter number. As you can hear, we have sound. But if you want to turn off this sound, you must do next. You must just turn on silent mode. And that's all. Let's try. Now we don't have sound. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.